all along this Calisaja River is just amazing. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. And up here at about a mile, there's just some breathtaking views. We got traffic. Scenic byway. It's gorgeous. The only thing to make this better is if you were here riding with me. I was hoping I'd hit this late enough in the morning that there wouldn't be a lot of traffic. Everybody'd be already at work. Tomorrow, when the people are out of work, this road is just a nightmare. You do not want to do this road on a weekend. It is no bueno. Hot boiled penis. You heard it, folks, right here in North Carolina. Hot boiled penis. So right here at this rock wall, if you're coming the other direction and you get the opportunity to use one of these pull-offs, all I can say is you probably should. And I can't really show you how deep that gorge is off the side of this road. If you're coming up the mountain in the other direction and you get close to that guardrail and look off, it's beyond cool. It's beyond cool. Just do it. That's all I got to say. Is just do it. If you can come in the spring or the fall after the leaves have come off the trees, and you can just park your bike up against that guardrail right there and look off the edge. If you got a passenger, it's even better. Just look off the edge. Man, you will freak out your passenger. Right here, the drop off along this area is just excellent. And what you're looking at is treetops, and it goes down forever. Forever. So, yeah. Just consider that. Consider that in your next trip. Tell them I told you. The views are just amazing if you're going south on 28. When you're going north, you just got this mountain wall to look at. Not so great. But I hope you like these sets of videos. I'm going to stop it here in a little bit. If you don't mind hitting that thumbs up button for all of them that you watch. But in the next mile or so, this road straightens out and it turns into US 64, like a major highway. So I've got a feeling that you all don't want to see that. I'm right at 100 miles for the day so far. Franklin's in 7 miles, and like I said, around the next bend or so, this road straightens out, and it just is boring. The UPS trucks are headed to work. Oh, hey, yeah, while I'm at it, while we're discussing it, before I click off, this road on the right, Walnut Creek, yeah, you want to try that road out. I'll do a video of it soon. That road actually takes you to Silva over the mountain, and it's an amazing route. So I'll do that one. Oh, maybe next week or the week after. We'll see. We'll see how I feel about riding motorcycles. So, hey, thanks for watching. I'll chat at you guys later.